How to change country on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. The fun options will appear. Make sure you have set your account to the public. Then scroll down, head towards the option Account Type in Tools. Switch your account to the professional account or business account. Once you do that, navigate to the profile page. Click on the option Edit Profile. Then head towards this option Profile Information. Under that, you're going to find the option of Contact option. Click on that. Now, from here, you are able to update the location, type in your email address, phone number, and also you will get the option to add the location. Click on that and type in your location. With that, you'll be good to go. So, this way, you are able to change country on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.